Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can buy the Lbank cryptocurrency token. I'm going to share with you how you can buy the Lbank cryptocurrency token on the Lbank cryptocurrency exchange itself. So let's get straight into the video. Now there's multiple ways you can do this. There's one way you can just buy it directly on the Lbank exchange, but it's going to be higher fees. So I'm going to show you the cheaper way and the better way to do it and fast transfer. So the first step is you need to actually be on an exchange that has low fees to buy cryptocurrency. Now one that I recommend is Kraken. Now, I think this can be used in USA, Australia, and multiple other different places. I will leave a link in the description. You will need to make sure you're verified, your account's verified, so your ID. So you need to make sure you have your identification verified. Now on Lbank, you don't need to worry about verifying your account. You can do everything completely with no verification needed. Now, the next step is you need to buy cryptocurrency on this platform. So what you need to do first up is you need to go top right and click on buy cryptocurrency. You need to have payment method. I'm going to be paying with my debit card. Ripple is easy and fast and low fees to transfer. So I'm going to be buying $20 worth just as an example here, and it gives me 23 Ripple. Click on review and then I click on I understand and then I confirm. So it's confirmed I've bought XRP. It shows that I bought XRP right here. Now I can withdraw the XRP. Now it already has a wallet address here. As you can see, the Lbank exchange. I'm going to share with you how you can add a new one as well if you're completely new to this. This is what you would do. You would come to your actual Ripple. So I'm going to share with you again how you can do this. So I'm going to go back to the home page. You can click on transfer and you're going to click on withdraw right here. Then you click on the option that you wish to withdraw. We're going to withdraw Ripple. It already has all this information, but we're going to click on add new address. So what you would do is you would go back to now go on to Lbank exchange. This is the exchange that you need to sign up on. I do have a video on how to register and secure your Lbank exchange account. So if you do want to watch that, you can go ahead and watch that video. Once you've completed that, you can come back here and go to your wallet address, your wallet here, and you want to click on spot. So you want to click on the spot on the top here. And then what you want to do is come down to here and you see the search bar right here. You want to click on that. Then you just want to type in XRP. That's the cryptocurrency that we're going to be transferring to this wallet. Then we're going to click on deposit because we're depositing into this account. And now we have to confirm that we need to have the MIMO code. So this is what you would do. You see this copy address here. This is the address that you're going to be sending the cryptocurrency XRP to, which is going to land onto this account. It's just warning you to make sure you're doing it correctly. So then go back to Kraken, see this right here, withdraw address. So this is where you're going to be depositing to. So it says you're withdrawing and you're depositing to this address right here. You can call this whatever you want. I would call it after the exchange, maybe even put a certain number like account 2 or something like that if you have multiple accounts. And then destination tag, then we're going to go back, and this is what MIMO is, destination tag. So just copy that, then go back to Kraken again and paste that in the destination tag, and then click add withdraw address. Now I've already done this, and all I had to do was confirm an email address and then it was added. But as you can see, I've already got it, Lbank exchange Julian. So all I have to do now is click on the amount that I wish to withdraw, and let's say it's 100% of that amount, and then I'll just click on withdraw. Now it exceeds the amount because I've already 23 is the amount, and then you click on withdraw. So once you have withdrawn the XRP from your exchange account, so this can be any exchange, I just showed you Kraken, you need to go to your Lbank account, you need to go to your wallet. So the top right here, you need to click on the wallet area and the drop down tab and click on spot. So once you're in your spot account, you should see your XRP right here. So once you've withdrawn your XRP from Kraken or whatever exchange, you now have XRP on this platform. Now you're looking to get Lbank token, so LBK. You can come to here and look at it, and it gives you an option to trade it for USDT. So that's the pair that you need. So you need USDT to be able to buy LBK. So you need that pair. So what you need to do now is trade your XRP for USDT pair. So what you do is come to the top here and click on spot trading. So once you're on the spot trading, it might look complex to you and everything like that. You can ignore everything on here. It is very simple and easy to use. What you need to go to is the top here, search bar. You can see all these pairs right here. You can take notice that every single pair needs USDT. So if you have USDT, you can buy any cryptocurrency on this platform. So you can swap USDT for all of the cryptocurrencies on this platform, on this exchange. And if you do need to sign up to Lbank, I will leave a link in the description below. So what you need to do is search XRP into the tab here, and then you need to look for USDT. So right here, XRP and USDT. USDT. That pair right there, that's what you need. So click on that. And once you've clicked on that, it should bring up right here, as you can see, available XRP. You want to come to this little tab here. We're going to trade on the market. So the market allows us to instantly buy and sell. So we're going to be selling, I'm pretty sure we're going to be selling XRP. So all of our XRP for USDT. So just click on the sell option right here. Make sure you're on the market because we're buying on the market, and then click on sell. We're buying on the market price. Click sell and then confirm, and then you automatically should see the order placed. Now you should have Lbank in your wallet. So what you do now is go to the top right again and click on spot. This is like your main exchange wallet. So click on spot, and then you can come down to here, and as you can see, you have USDT. So now the next step is we go back to the trade menu and we click on spot trading. Now we can type in LBK, which is Lbank cryptocurrency token. So this top one right here, that's the one you want to buy, LBK, which is Lbank cryptocurrency token. Click on that. Now you're going to be able to sell, you're going to be buying Lbank token. So this is how much Lbank token you're going to get, 2,506 for $29 USDT. So make sure you switch to market and then click on fully buy, or you can type in the amount that you wish to buy in the tab and then click on this, and it tells you the fees as well. And then you want to click on buy, confirm the buy, and now you should have LBK token right here, right there, as you can see. Now we can go back to our spot wallet. So go to the top right and click on spot. Once it loads up, as you can see right here, you have LBK token and the value, and you can see that it's LBK. So that is how you can buy LBK token or Lbank token step by step. Thanks for watching the video. If you do have any other questions or any other videos that you want me to make about the Lbank cryptocurrency exchange, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.